Greetings to everybody. So, in this video, I am going to share you how I have implemented the push notification to my Flutter application via the Node.js server by using the Firebase admin panel. Okay, good. So let's get started here. So first of all, in my Node.js server, I have created a function called watch price changes. So this function has several components in between it. So I will explain one by one. The first thing here, I am going to check for the MongoDB database, especially a collection called products. So which means my MongoDB database have products. In that products, it has some factors, some fields like price and other data. So here what I have done is that in this first line change stream is equal to product.watch, which is to listen the products data changes. Next, on the change stream, if it is changes and the operation type is update, then it will next look up for the updated fields within the collection. For example, if I have multiples of data which is changed after a method update or else any other methods, so it automatically checks for the particular field which is changed. Next, in that particular field, if the price is changed, so updated product or price. Next, what I have done, I have get the or else I have done to get the ID of the changed field data by change.document key._id, which is going to get all the IDs of my changed products. Next, so with that ID, what I have next done to collect all those other fields relevant to that key, or sorry, relevant to that ID. So it will collect all the data relevant to that ID and it will be stored on the product. Next, just for the verification, I have console.log the product ID. After this, the one of the main important thing for the push notification to get the device tokens from the front end side. To do so, since I have developed my entire Flutter mobile application by the Node.js server, so what I need to do is that I need to collect the FCM tokens where I have integrated the Firebase with my Flutter application. So I need to collect the FCM tokens from the front end. So about the FCM tokens, how to integrate the Firebase to a Flutter mobile application, it will be in the upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new and press the bell button to get notified. After getting the FCM token from the front end side, next, so here you can see I have written a function to collect those FCM token. So in simplicity, I have stored my FCM token in my users collections inside the MongoDB. So here I have written a function to collect the tokens from the users collection. So it will check for the user register and it will go for the FCM token. Next, in that FCM token, what I have done here, I have given a filter of boolean to only get the non-null FCM tokens. If there is any of the users data which has FCM token of a null value, it will not take into an accountable. Next, after getting the tokens, this function will eventually return a list of tokens. Okay, here which these device tokens get all those list of tokens. Here I have checking for whether the token is present or not. If the token length is greater than 0, then it will next proceed to send the push notification to my Flutter application. So for the notification title, just I have simply reduced the length of my title if it is greater than 20. Next, I have written a function for the send push notification. The function is present in some files here. Since I have implemented my push notification by using the Firebase, So I need to access my Firebase admin because of for the authority in the Node.js server. So I have installed the Firebase admin package from the npmjs.com. Next, I got the service account key.json from the Firebase admin itself. After getting this, I have initialized my admin Firebase admin with the service account JSON file, which will check for that service account key.json file and for the other credential which is present inside the file itself. So since it is a potential file, I will show you how to get this file from the in the next upcoming video. So here I have written a send push notification function which gets arguments like device tokens, title, body and product ID. So now it once again checks for the device token. If it is null or else the length is equal to 0, it will console the no device tokens found. After this I have written a message. So in the message I have passed the tokens. So this will be the body of the push notification. So I have notification title and the body. And the data for to get the data or to fetch the data traditional from the front end, I have passed the data which will provide the product ID to get or else to get the all the particular product with the product ID. So with this function, it will send the push notification to the all the device tokens which is subscribed to that particular product data. Or else here simply I have transferred the push notification to the all the devices. In future, if you want to make some subscriptions with that, you can make a condition to send the push notification to the subscribe tokens. Now I will show you how I have implemented and what is the structure of this entire push notification via the Node.js to the Flutter mobile application. So here first the server listens to the database. Next, it's listen to the database and it will get the product ID. Next, with the product ID, it will get the data. Next, after getting the data, it will request the FCM token from the mobile application. After receiving the FCM tokens, a list of FCM tokens, it will send the push notification by using the Firebase admin to all the mobile applications. So this is a simple architecture. If you want to add some other functionalities, still we need to add some functionalities in our application itself. Like for example, this is only the server side and we need to complete for the client a mobile application to show the push notification on top of the mobile application. And also other such functionalities like navigating to the particular pages with the notification and the notification on the background and the foreground. These are all the other params which is need to take into account on the client side of the mobile application. So I hope you people have enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.